Hey y'all, good evening. So I'm getting ready to hit the sack, and I decided to record y'all a video of how I moisturize my locks and lock in that moisture before I hit the bed. Plus, your girl just lightened her hair last night, so this is very important for me to show you guys. So I make my own leave-in. My leave-in main ingredient is aloe vera juice. I love to make my leave-ins with aloe vera juice because it's very light to the hair. It leaves absolutely no buildup and gives great slip. What I mean by great slip is that my hair is really, really long right now. And when I wear it down, it's going to rub against my clothing and my coat and all of that stuff. So in order for me not to have no lint, I use my leave-in and lots of it. I spray on top of my locks and underneath my locks. I use it generously, so I don't saturate my locks. I just make sure that my locks is covered. And then I'll go in with my scalp treatment oil. Normally I use it on my scalp to lock in the moisture, but tonight I'm using it on my locks to lock in the moisture because I had just lightened my hair. So I need something that gives me a little bit more slip as my hair is down and not up, so it won't cause no lint or anything. So I don't use too much of it. It look like I am, but I promise you I am not using that much oil on my scalp. It's just to give my hair the coverage that it needs because it's longer now. But sometimes for my heavy-handed girls, that sacred oil, it does the trick, okay? It is so light. It will give you the coverage that you need to lock in that moisture without any guilt of buildup. So between those two, I love it. After I finish playing with my locks, as I'm doing right now, I'm getting ready to put it in a ponytail, and then your girl noticed that she ain't hit that nape. Woo, girl, no. Go back in there, get that nape, because my pillows is going to be all on that nape. And then I'll get ready to put my hair back in a nice loose ponytail for the night. I do not sleep with a bonnet because of menopause. All of my pillows have satin pillowcases. So I put my hair in a nice loose ponytail. It stays put. And I just sleep with my satin pillowcases. So I just wanted to come through, show you guys my my routine at night for when it's time for me to moisturize and lock that moisture in. Follow me for more tips. Love you guys. Bye.